Yes, let me thank you for this question. You see, when you have been boxed left, right, and center by one party, you you tend to react. The APC in River State has been very, very peaceful. You can investigate. You are a journalist. Find out how many cases we have against the PDP. We were frustrated into filing an action after several cases were filed against us. We said, look, these are internal affairs of the party. But since the judiciary was descending into the arena of politics, we got frustrated and we said, okay, if that is what they want, let us also file a case. You know, the party, the PDP in River State has been struggling to intimidate us. Unfortunately, they cannot succeed. You saw recently, they even brought the Chief Justice of Nigeria to eat dinner in Government House, just to frighten us, to say, look, we already have the judiciary in our pockets. And we resist it. We refuse to be cowed by the antics and the intimidation of the governor of River State, who is a member of the PDP. He should settle the internal affairs of PDP that is bugging his party. We don't even know which party he's in now. And he's deploying the resources of River State on frivolous and vexatious matters in another party. Why can't he concentrate on his own party? This is how it is that our ordinary Awara defeated him the last time and he had to buy judgment. We are aware of all of these things and we are saying allow democracy to thrive. That's all. Allow us to do free and fair election. Right now, he's wasting Rivers money on the appointment of 200,000 SAs. When we enter government, we will probe him.
Okay, sir. You understand, since this very judgment in Rivers State, two questions. One, what is the way forward from today? Secondly, there are a lot of orders here and there. And one of them, I think, hinges on you not going out to do advertisement within the state and without going through proper protocol, maybe due processes established in the state.
Now, in 2019, when Governor Wike started using the judiciary to intimidate us, we held a protest, which is called in law picketing, outside the presence of the court, when we said we were protesting that Wike should leave us alone, that whatever we are doing in our party, we are the internal affairs of the party. Wike sent thugs to the court, vandalized the courts, and because he has access to the national media, turned it against us. He has friends in the judiciary. He's a life bencher. I don't know how many cases Wike has done to make him a life bencher, how much law practice he has done in his lifetime to make him a life bencher. But again, like I said, corruption speaks louder than words. So in 2019, the courts punish us unjustly. Today, even today, the courts refer to the case of Umar and others against our party. You understand? Which case was determined not on the merits at the time we were going into elections, but on technicalities that deprived us of the opportunity of running elections. In 2019, the court stopped us even from campaigning. A judge of the Federal High Court stopped us even from campaigning. And we respected the courts. So this time around, again, when the PDP went to court, we said, look, our voices are not as loud as the voice of the governor of River State, who deployed the resources of River State frivolously on different campaigns. So we said, let us respect the judiciary and pursue this case to the very end. So that accounts for why we are not very loud. You can see that we've not been vigorously campaigning. So pardon us, now that the courts have said that, that we are at liberty to carry on with the internal affairs of the party, we will now campaign very vigorously. And you will see that Rivers people are very, very happy with the APC. The other issue of executive orders, you know, again, these are the issues of abuse of office. In 2011, Wike was the Director General of the Rotimi Amechi's campaign for his second term. I am the one who provided venue for the campaign office. It was in a residential area. Wike was the Director General. Today, because Rivers people are rejecting him, he is bringing out different executive orders. Oh, people should not open offices in residential areas. If you go to GRA, GRA is semi-commercial. There are offices, there are banks, there are company premises, there are churches, there are restaurants, there are lounges, bars, clubs, everything. It's a commercial area. Now, they also have an office in that GRA, a campaign office in the same GRA that is stopping others from using. Again, Wike went ahead to stop people from using public places. All these are signs of fear. The governor knows that Rivers people are rejecting him. This election, this next year's election, will be a referendum on Wike. We don't even know who his candidate is, because I hear EFCC is looking for him. Let him come out and face the code of conduct. When you see a man who lies even with his age, what will his offspring be? We don't know Wike's age today. There was a case against him in INEC. He filed different ages in the document that made him governor. So you can imagine that he will be protecting a fraudster as governorship candidate. Let him come out and campaign now. Let him go before the world to say, yes, the way I am walking free, let him also walk free. The man who wants to govern us, let him walk free on the streets of Port Harcourt.